Last week on Three Things Live, we introduced freedom as the new Stitch Your Story theme for February.
It's an ongoing series where you tell your story to future generations in the quilt blocks you'll make throughout the year.
We talked about the word freedom and what it means to each of us. We shared our Stitch Your Story blocks and how we made them, and we shared some of your stories you've shared with us.
We also had Susan Goldman Rubin, and she shared some highlights from her book, The Quilts of Gee's Bend, a historical overview of the 200 years of quilt making in this African American community.
Join us live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Catch up on last week's show via Facebook and YouTube by clicking the links below.
Three Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn,
and something to discover.
Let's go!